There you go. There's your DNA.
Oh, I am Russian.
Yes, you are.
Get ready for a journey of personal discovery that begins with a new leaf.
Hi, I'm Daisy Fuentes. Welcome to A New Leaf. Hi.
Hello.
How are you, Jess?
Hi, I'm Eric.
Hey, so good to meet you guys.
Want to come inside?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Let's do this.
Have a seat.
Thank you. Okay, so tell me a little bit about what prompted this inquiry.
Well, we kind of know about my family history. I was, I have German and Croatian in my background, and we just want to know a bit more about her. There's some questions on her father's side.
Bit of a mystery. Growing up, I was told I was of Russian descent, but I think becoming pregnant, there is a moment when you think to yourself, who am I? These questions of, well, am I really Russian, started to pop up. I just really would love to know about my DNA. My family tree is growing, and I want to have that information to pass down to my child. And we need help with names. I want to go through the tree and figure out some
Okay,
names.
so what do you say, Eric, that Jessica and I start digging into her past and we'll fill you in on all the surprises later?
That sounds great.
Yeah.
Using Jessica's DNA, our sponsor Ancestry was able to map out her ethnicity.
There you go. There's your DNA.
Oh, I am Russian.
Yes, you are.
I'm Russian. Well, how fun, how exciting. I was really kind of just relieved that I was Russian, but I think seeing it on the screen and verifying it is very real.
So what do you say we continue and take a look at your family tree, your paternal side of your
let's do it.
family tree?
There's me, the Pavel and Zoya, Ivan, Dora. Awesome. Actually, since we're looking for names, Dora is actually a really cool, interesting name for a girl.
Okay, great. You're writing down some names.
Now, your great-grandfather, Andrzej, he came to America even earlier than your father's family. He traveled here from Poland during the first and largest wave of Polish immigration in the early 1900s.
You see a 1905 passenger list. So go to the bottom to line 26 and see if you
Okay.
can make out that name.
I think it says Sagowski.
It does.
Okay.
And what's really shocking is that he left behind his pregnant wife
Oh.
and the other kids.
Oh, he was
So
going
he
to
went ahead on his own,
You just have to really trust your husband that he's going to go find a better place for you.
right?
It's incredible.
So if you go to the next document, you will see another passenger list. This is from 5 months later.
Oh, so they got to finally come over.
Yes.
So Mary, Aurelia, and Jolenta.
Jolenta
We got some
was
interesting names in the family.
right. So now she had her baby while the
Okay.
husband was gone. And so she traveled with her daughters, but she did have to leave behind their two oldest sons, Chester and Narcissus. The good news is that they were all reunited. So you will see a photo that we found of your great-great-grandmother, Mary. This was before leaving Poland, so she wasn't pregnant yet.
And these two boys are Narcissus and Chester. And the baby is your great-grandmother, Aurelia.
Daisy, just kind of looking through these documents, it just makes these people real. These people really wanted to come to America. They really wanted to have a different life, and how blessed I am to, to get to live the life that I get to live, and
Because of the hardships and
Right.
the sacrifices that they all made.
how proud I should be.
Well, I know you just learned a lot and you're still taking it all in, but I've got more.
All right.
Want to take a little trip with me?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's learn some more.
All right.
Hey, Hadley.
Hey, Daisy, how are you? Good to see
How are
you.
you? Nice to see you. This is Jessica.
Hi, Jessica.
Nice to meet you.
Jessica, this is Hadley Mears, and she's an historical journalist who's going to fill you in on what life would have been like for your ancestors, especially coming to Ellis Island.
Oh, great.
You're in great hands.
Daisy.
Thank
Bye,
you.
Daisy.
Bye.
Thanks. So this is Ellis Island. It opened in 1892. It was really crowded when your family was immigrating to America around 1905, 1906. That was actually a huge time for immigration in America.
1905 through 1906.
Yes, there was a lot of strife and turmoil going on in Europe, and people really trying to get to America. This ship right here, this is the SS Rotterdam. This is the ship that your great-great-grandmother came over on.
Oh, wow.
And most people, including probably your family, were in steerage, so what we would consider third class. There were some steamers that had over 2,000 people in steerage.
These people really wanted to come to America and were willing to go through any means to get here. Hadley, this information has been so great, insight into what my family members really, truly went through. I have a lot of respect for them and pride, really. So thank you so much. Today has been very gratifying. I've learned so much about my family. I've put all the puzzle pieces together, and I'm able to show a true picture now to my child, which is priceless.
Thank you guys for letting me be part of this. As you all know, Jessica's having a baby in 5 months.
Throughout the history, Daisy and I were able to discover so many different names. On the girl side, we had Elise.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
It's kind of like Ellis Island, too.
And then I think that this could be used on either a boy or a girl, but one of the most unique names in our family was Anze.
Huh.
Oh, Dad doesn't like that one.
How do you spell that?
No offense to any Anze, but...
No offense to any Anze, but I really like Anze.
I don't know about Anze.
Okay.
All right.
More importantly is we have to figure out the gender, everyone. Is everyone ready for a reveal?
So cool.
Congratulations!